KOHO, accepted around the world, but with a twist? Ever dream of that perfect vacation? Sunsets, exotic food, and maybe even that elusive souvenir you just have to have. But then reality hits. How will you pay for it all? Cash? Credit card? Prepaid card? Hold on to that prepaid card thought, because today we're diving deep into the world of KOHO, a popular prepaid MasterCard option. We'll crack the code on where your KOHO card can take you, and unveil a little secret that might surprise you. So, buckle up, travel enthusiasts and budget-conscious adventurers, because we're about to answer the burning question, where in the world is KOHO accepted? First things first, KOHO boasts some serious bragging rights. Since it's a MasterCard, anywhere that swipes the red and yellow logo should be able to process your KOHO card. We're talking millions of merchants across a whopping 200+ countries. Think bustling markets in Marrakesh, trendy cafes in Paris, or that once-in-a-lifetime hike on the Great Wall of China. KOHO's got your back, or should we say, your wallet. Sounds too good to be true? Well, hold on a sec. There's a slight twist to this international acceptance story. You see, while KOHO itself might be a jet-setter's dream, some individual merchants might have their own restrictions. Think of it like that exclusive club you might not get into even with the fanciest clothes. Here's the catch. Some stores, especially smaller, independent ones, might not be equipped to handle prepaid cards. It's all about their payment processing systems. So, while KOHO boasts global acceptance, a specific shop in a specific location might not be on board. But fear not, there's a way to be a payment ninja and avoid any awkward card decline situations. Here are your KOHO travel essentials. The KOHO app, this is your travel Bible. Check the app for any updates on merchant limitations or specific regions where KOHO acceptance might be lower. Be a contactless master. Most KOHO cards are contactless, which means a quick tap is all it takes. This is not only faster but also avoids any potential chip reader issues that some older terminals might have. Plan B is your BFF. Always have a backup plan. Carry a little local currency or another debit/credit card if needed. Remember, even the most well-prepared traveler can encounter unexpected situations. Now, let's address a specific concern some of you might have: online shopping. While KOHO is fantastic for in-person swipes, online purchases can be a little trickier. Remember, some online stores might have additional security measures, and prepaid cards can sometimes raise red flags. Here's the workaround. If you plan on doing a lot of online shopping abroad, consider contacting KOHO support to see if they can enable international online transactions for your account. It's a simple step that can save you a world of frustration on your trip. Alright, so we've covered the where and the how, but what about the why? Why choose KOHO for your travels? Here are a few reasons. Peace of mind. Prepaid cards mean you only spend what you load, which is a fantastic way to stick to your budget and avoid overspending temptations on vacation. Security savvy. Misplaced your card? No worries. KOHO allows you to easily freeze your account through the app, minimizing any potential damage. Cashback cha-ching. KOHO offers cashback rewards on certain purchases, which is like finding hidden money on your trip, perfect for those souvenir splurges. So, is KOHO the ultimate travel companion? It certainly packs a punch with its global reach and budgeting benefits. But remember, a little planning and a backup option can go a long way in ensuring a smooth financial flow on your adventures. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.